Right, it's minus 14 today and it's a bit chilly, but I've got to move some vehicles because we've had so much snow, as you can probably see along there. I've got a JCB coming in, a backhoe, to dig me out. Yeah, and I want to take the snow off the roof. You probably saw that video of the weekend. But the Isuzu's not moved for quite a while. Basically because the diesel in winter's more expensive than petrol and there's no benefit. The noise you can hear in the background is the 300 TDI. That's going today, so I'm warming it up with the Webasto. Ooh, it's lovely and toasty. But let's see if this this beast will start. It's got what is it? 1540 winter summer oiling. I don't hold much hope, but we'll see. We'll give it another go on the heater. Not spinning over fast enough. I should really put some thinner oil in it. So it looks like I'm going to have to plug it into the block heater. Darn. Never mind. I'll leave the camera set up here. We'll leave it, and it's what time is it now? It's 12:30. We'll leave it here and we'll see see if it starts after an hour. Well, it's been an hour. Holding up much confidence because I think the battery's shot. One thing about this engine, it won't idle when it's cold. Now I'm going to do a questionnaire to you guys about that, perhaps you guys in Australia, but when it gets warmed up a bit, I'm going to get the bonnet open. I'm going to show you a picture of the injector pump because it's not like anything I've seen, and there's an extra lever on the side. I think it's a cold start, which this is missing because I think it would have started before. Anyway, I've got it running. I didn't need any easy start, that's a good thing. Now I can get it out of the way and get on with the rest of today's jobs. But like I said, kind of cold. But, look at it. It's shaking like a defecating dog, if you get my drift. Talk to you later.